one star. At the silver hat in his little white cap. Come on, Roary, one more lap. Roary, the racing car. Roary, my number one star. He's coming to the line, looking real fine. Watch out, Roary, they're right behind ya. Come on, Roary, the racing car. Roary, my number one star. Roary, the racing car.
Silverhat's racetrack is the picture of tidiness. Big Chris has been up all night cleaning the floors in the workshop, and he was exhausted. Are you finished yet, Big Chris? I'm not finished. Oh no, Roary. There's so much to do before they arrive. Before you arrive, Mr. Carburetor invited the Top Racing magazine Formula Fun to do an article on Silverhat this afternoon. You displayed spotless. Wow! That'd be the fun! I hope you're going to take a picture of all.
Big Chris. Is everything ready for this afternoon's visit?
We're getting there, Marshall.
We're getting there, Marshall.
Mr. Carburetor wants everything to run smoothly. He's relying on us all, Big Chris. See ya!
Okay. What I really need is for 2 weeks.
Can I have a nap?
Marshall's checking up on me all the time, and I've got a workshop to run.
Why don't
I look after the workshop? Well, you have a nap and Rusty.
That's good of you,
That's
Roary.
good idea, Roy.
It's a
This
workshop.
workshop, if you like to run, I can handle it. Any trouble, I can help you stay away. Yeah, I can help anyway. Hey, what?
Oh,
Sorry, lad.
I think I will.
I think we'll have a nap.
I can't run my workshop.
Can't
feeling
run the
like
workshop like this.
We'll
Nice.
stay up.
Nice.
Thanks, fellas.
Thanks, fellas. Sweet dreams, Big Chris.
Okay. Try it now.
Oh, it should go vroom, vroom, vroom. Bigger, more power, just like Maxie. Just use a bigger hammer or something.
It's not a bigger hammer you need, Flash.
First.
It's a bigger engine.
Oh, is anyone see Big Chris? He's having a nap. What? You need to give me an oil change before then. I really need one. Listen. Nasty. I'll go get Big Chris right away, Maxie. Oh. How's Big Chris doing, Rusty?
Listen for yourself. He's sleeping like a big baby.
Oh. Big Chris looks so tired earlier. I can't wait to wake him up. Wait? What do you mean I have to wait? I'm sure Big Chris would be there soon. But it's an emergency. You need Marshall to change my oil. I'll go get it. No need for that, Maxie. We'll do it. When we Tim Top. Yeah, well, we will. We've seen Big Chris change our oil before. It's easy. Easy? Now that's what I want to do. What I want to sound like.
Maybe Big Chris has got a spare engine we can borrow.
First.
Wait for me,
First. Ooh. Are you sure you know what you're doing, Roary? Yes. We got to drain all the oil from inside you and replace it with new yummy oil. You join with me. I didn't know how to make the oil work. Here you go, Roary. Hey, First. Hey, Malcolm.
Roary, we were wondering if Big Chris had a spare engine we could borrow.
I'm not sure. What are you doing up there, Maxie? Waiting for Roary to change my oil, but he doesn't know how. I can do that for you, Roary, if you're borrowing an engine. I don't know.
Where's Big Chris? I've got a flat tire.
He's taking a nap.
But my flat tire. Who's going to change it?
We are. Come on, Tin Top.
Malcolm,
All right,
change
Malcolm,
Max's oil.
I'll change
You
Max's
find a
oil.
spare
You
engine.
find a spare engine.
The tickles.
The tickle.
Ow.
Oh,
You should have used a drip tray.
You could
he
have told
could
me
have
that
told me
this
this would happen. Oh.
Yes, Mr. Carburetor, everything's fine. I've checked the workshop and pits. They're spotless. Of course the cars will all be looking their best. See you this afternoon, Mr. Carburetor. Yes, bye. Perhaps I'll make one last circuit of Silver Hatch to be on the safe side.
Keep the workshop clean, make it virtually clean. Check the engine, charge the coils. We don't feel good with workshop as we should. It's time to change our all. You bend it, you fix it. You fix them every day. You bend it, you fix it. It's what we always say. It's what Big Chris will say. An empty tanks will fill with this fuel, and the engines on the wheels. We check the brakes and the joints will melt, and know how good it feels. You bend it, you fix it. It's what we do every day. We bend it, you fix it. It's what we always say. It's what Big Chris will say. You bend it, you fix it. Ah, Roary, look at the state of the workshop. We've been playing it.
What's all this mess? Oh,
Sorry, Big Chris.
I didn't
I
want
didn't
to
want to wake you up, but when you're so tired after working all night, so I'm trying to do this myself. I ended up making a mess.
I didn't know you were tired. Big. Told me.
Oh, well, I know you tried your best, Roary. It's a lot to ask of you. It was my fault, Big Chris. I should take the blame.
Carburetor will be here with the reporter from Formula Fun soon. But what are we going to do?
Well, I suppose we all bend it. We should all fix it. Ben, come on. Listen. Looks like we went to the finish line just in time. Oh, let's see what my new skateboard can do then. Thanks, more like it. Oh yes, Silver Hatch is put down the finest racing track in the world, and best workshop, mechanic, marshal, and the fastest cars. And the fastest rabbit.
Fastest rabbits? Now that is a story.
Oh, just wait till I get my hands on. Let's go and take a picture of me with beautiful cards. Roary learned looking after Silver Hatch is a team effort. That's why it was the best racetrack in the world. Even with Flying Rabbit.
The racing car.